Monday. It is the beginning of the week. We're ready to go. We're ready to have a good week. I hope that all of you are doing well. This is the Data Roundtable where we come together as data professionals to talk, to listen, to help each other, and really just keep on forming a community, keep on forming, helping ourselves in this great world of data science and AI. I hope that you're doing well in your part of the world. I'm so grateful to have followers all over the world. So I know that it's different times and weather and all these other things for people who follow me. So thanks so much. Excuse me. Thanks so much for being here. Hope that you're doing well. Hope that you're still finding ways to progress and move your career forward. As I always tell you guys, becoming a data scientist is not a thing, it's a process, right? It's a process. So you got to give yourself the time, the opportunity to really develop your craft, develop your work, and slowly but surely you're going to get there. So let me know how you're doing. Let me know what you are doing to help yourself improve and move forward and keep going. Would love to hear from you. Really appreciate when people contribute to the chat. So, in case you miss me, I am here on YouTube at this hour, and then I usually switch over to Instagram at some point. So, that's where you can find me, whatever time this is in your time zone. Please feel free to keep on coming back, and this is where you can find me. So, for me personally, this is my first full week back in my fortress of solitude after going to Microsoft Ignite last week. What a great conference. Had such a good time there. Really just a dream to be there. Um, but I am back. I am working. I have client obligations. I have business obligations. I have my dog, my dog obligations. I missed my dog while I was away. So I am just kind of getting back into the groove, getting back into my routine. I'm also getting back into my diet routine, because you can't go to a conference and be on a strict diet, right? So I let myself a little bit off the leash. But now I'm back to my strict diet. Um, we are about a month away from CES. So my entire goal of getting into conference shape still exists. I'm still working on that. In the chat, we have, is it Ahmad? Ahmad, welcome. Oh, good morning to you too. I don't want to mispronounce that. Is it Salam Alaikum? Salam Alaikum, I think is how that's pronounced. Thank you so much, my friend. I think it's your first time here. Welcome. This is the Data Roundtable where you are welcome to share anything you'd like about your data experience, data questions, data, whatever, right? Whatever you want to talk about, I'm here for it. This is where we discuss all those things related to data. So thank you for being here, Ahmad. Hope you're doing well in your corner of the world. Like I said earlier, I'm so fortunate to have followers from all over. So hope you're doing well, whatever part of the world you're in. So as I was saying, we are about 1 month away, just a little bit more than 1 month away from CES. So my goal of getting into conference shape still exists. Still want to, be able to have a good CES. So looking forward to that. So Ahmad says, I follow you on Instagram and I'm a first year computer science student. What is your advice? Okay, thanks for that background, Ahmad. I appreciate that. So Ahmad, if you know my Instagram, you can go to my roadmaps. I have a roadmap section in my highlights, and I have a guide for what I would be doing if I was a college student. So Ahmad, my basic uh, theory is that technical degrees, like computer science, will be highly devalued in the future. And when I say future, I'm talking within the next 5 years, right? The value of your computer science degree will drastically fall. So, my advice, generally speaking, is to get a degree in something that gives you flexibility of thought. So, that's usually the humanities or like liberal arts. So, I would suggest psychology, public health, sociology, economics, something else, right? Something that gives you flexibility of thought, critical thinking, gets you reading a variety of books, right? Now, along with that, during your studies, you still want to develop AI skills, right? You want to develop some AI skills along the way. So practice your prompting, practice your agent building, stay up with the current trends, right? So the point is to graduate with a degree that gives you a lot of flexibility of thought, but you're also going to have a very solid set of AI skills. So can you imagine graduating right now with like a political science degree and also being AI enabled, or graduating with like a finance degree and also being AI enabled? I think that's a great combination, right? So that's my general advice, Ahmad, right? I want you to look forward 4 years from now when you graduate with something that gives you a broad flexibility of thought while also still being pretty dangerous with your AI, right? Like, do you know how many types of books you're going to read if you become a philosophy major or a political science major or something else like that, sociology major, communications major? You're going to read like a lot of books. You're going to be, kind of opening up your frame of reference. So I think all of that is valuable. I think that's the goal there, Ahmad. So thanks for the question, guys. I'm going to hop over to Instagram. As always, please take care of yourselves, take care of your families, and I will see you again tomorrow.